Good morning everyone. So how are you? How do you feeling? I hope you all are doing very well. Okay, my dear students, in our previous class we have completed the fourth chapter. So today onwards we are going to conduct a TP for that chapter. Hope you all are study that. So today we are moving to the next chapter, that is sixth chapter. Fifth chapter we are going to omit. So in this from that chapter we do not have any questions for your semester exam. So we are moving to the next chapter, is sixth chapter, that is called fractions. Okay, my dear students, we have already discussed in our previous years about fractions, isn't it? What do you mean by a fraction? What do you mean by a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole which is equally divided, isn't it? Fraction is a part of a whole which has been divided into equal parts. Okay, so I'm going to explain. Here we have a cake. I'm going to divide this cake into four equal parts. Four equal parts. So how we will describe this part? Here we have four parts, isn't it? So in this cake, this part is represented by 1 by 4, isn't it? 1 by 4. So total number of parts are 4. So we can represent this into, this is like 1 by 4. So this is called fractions. It has numerator and also a denominator. So these things are already you have discussed in your previous years, isn't it? So today we are going to discuss about different types of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fractions, unlike fractions. So these are the things we are going to discuss. So first one is proper fractions. First one is proper fractions. So it is very simple. Proper fractions. So we can write a fraction in which a numerator is on upper and also a denominator in the lower part. So we can write 3 by 8, 4 by 9, 6 by 9. Okay, these are some fractions. Look at here, in which all the fractions, the numerator is less than denominator, isn't it? 3 is less than 8, 4 is less than 9, and 6 is less than 9. So when the numerator of a fraction is less than the denominator, then they are called a proper fraction. Then what will be the improper fraction? It is also very simple. So the improper fraction is when numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator, then they are called improper fractions. So proper fractions are numerator is less than denominator, but improper fractions are numerator of a fraction is greater than the denominator, or which is equal to the denominator. They are called improper fractions. Okay, so this is proper and improper fraction. Okay, now next topic is mixed fraction. Next topic is mixed fraction. A mixed fraction is consist of a whole number and a proper fraction. Mixed fraction is consist of a whole number. Whole numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They are called whole numbers, isn't it? So mixed fraction is consist of a whole number and a proper fraction. That is called a mixed fraction. I am going to explain it. So that is, improper fractions are converted into what? Mixed fraction. I am going to take an example. Here we have an example of improper fraction, 15 by 6. This is an improper fraction. So I am going to divide 15 by 6. So we need to know the multiple of 6. So 6 twos are 12, and so here we have the remainder 3. Isn't it? Here we have the remainder 3. So here we have the quotient 2, dividend 6, and remainder 3. If we get these things, that is quotient, dividend and remainder from this number, then we can write the improper fraction like, write the quotient as whole number 2, and like the dividend like as denominator and the remainder as numerator, 3 by 6. That is 2 into 3 by 6, 2 3 by 6. So mixed fraction which is consists of a whole number and a proper fraction, that is called a mixed fraction. Okay, so we can convert improper fractions into what? Mixed fraction. So mixed fraction is consist of a whole number and a proper fraction. Another example. Let's do another example. 11 by 5. So here also I am going to divide 11 by 5 2 times. 5 twos are 10. So here we have the remainder 1. So we can write 11 by 5. Write the quotient as whole number. 2 write as whole number. Then 1 by 5. Dividend write as the denominator, and remainder write as the numerator. Okay, dividend write as the denominator and the remainder write as the numerator. So here we have the improper fraction and the mixed fraction. Okay, this is improper and mixed fraction. Okay, now these are the first 4 topics, that is proper fraction, improper fractions, and what do you mean by fractions, and then mixed fraction. Okay students.